Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see practice set 9.2. John sold books worth rupees 4,500 for a publisher. For this he received 15% commission. He sold books worth rupees 4,500 and he get commission 15%. Complete the following activity to follow the total commission John obtained. We have to complete this activity. Selling price of book is equals to, selling price is 4,500. Selling price of book is equals to 4,500. Then next thing asked, rate of commission. Rate of commission, that is 15%. So rate of commission %. Then commission obtained. Now here we have to calculate 15% of 4,500. That is commission obtained. So commission obtained is equals to 15%. That means 15 upon 100. Multiplied by 4,500. These two zeros will get cancelled. 15 multiplied by 45. That is commission equals to 675 rupees. In this way we have completed this activity. Now second question. Rafiq sold flowers worth 15,000 rupees by giving 4% commission to the agent. Find the commission he paid. Find the amount received by Rafiq. Now this one is in same manner. First we will write selling price. What is selling price? 15,000 rupees. Then commission 4%. Now we know that commission is equals to percent commission multiplied by selling price is equals to percent commission is 4% multiplied by selling price is 15,000. These two zero will get cancelled. So equals to 4 multiplied by 150, which is equals to 600. Now amount received by Rafiq is equals to selling price minus commission. So selling price is 15,000 and commission is 600 rupees. So 15,000 minus 600, which is equals to 14,400 rupees. So we will write commission paid by Rafiq is rupees 600. The amount received by Rafiq is rupees 14,400. Now we will directly see fifth question. Use the given information and fill in the boxes with suitable numbers. Srimati Deepanjali purchased a house for 7,50,000 from Srimati Leelaben through an agent. One agent was there in between two ladies. Agent has charged 2% brokerage from both of them. Agent gets 2% from both ladies. First, Srimati Deepanjali paid. How much she paid? She paid her buying price plus 2% to agent. 2% brokerage to agent. So, she will pay, what is buying price? 7,50,000 rupees. Then she paid 2% to agent. So 2% of 7,50,000, which is equals to 15,000 rupees as brokerage for purchasing house. Second thing is Srimati Leelaben paid to brokerage. Same as both of them are paying 2%. So Srimati Leelaben paid brokerage is equals to same 15,000 rupees. Then next thing is asked total brokerage received by agent. Is equals to 15,000 from Deepanjali and 15,000 from Leelaben. So it will be equals to 15,000 plus 15,000, that is 30,000 rupees. Then the cost of house Srimati Deepanjali paid. The actual price she buy the house, that is 7,50,000. Then she gave brokerage 15,000. So it will be added and she has to pay 7,65,000 rupees. Then the selling price of house for Srimati Leelaben. Selling price is equals to, what was the selling price? Deepanjali paid 7,50,000, but she gave 15,000 from that to agent. So it will be equals to 7,50,000 minus 15,000, which is equals to 7,35,000 rupees. Thank you.